Understand everybody now disk? So disk means that is what? So through y-axis mr square by 4 I. So I and distance between perpendicular distance a is equals to r. So if you solve it, 5 mr square by 4 will come. Now sphere. So it is a solid sphere, not hollow sphere. So we have studied hollow sphere and solid sphere. Both we have studied. So let me take now sphere it is. So sphere, so which is passing through the center of mass. So center of mass, can you tell me? Anybody, what is the formula? Yes, Pradosh. Center of mass. What is the moment of inertia? You already calculated. Check your books and tell me. And let me draw a tangent. I have drawn a tangent here. So from the COM, this is COM. So from here to here, I will take A is equals to what, everybody? A is equals to R. So can you tell me what is this COM of center of mass passing through the spherical hollow sphere? Sorry.
R square by
Check it what, Rudreswar, correctly tell me. What
mr square by 5.
mr square by 5 or 2 mr square by 5 or?
2 by 5 mr square.
Ah?
2 by 5 mr square.
2 mr square by 5. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So next we have to calculate I. So that's all it is. So what is happening? I is equals to, yeah, next moment of inertia through COM plus MA square. So that's all. So 2 mr square by 5 plus m into A means what? Everybody. A means what, guys? R. Understanding? So that is what it is. So mr square. So which is equals to 5 is the LCM. So 2 mr square plus 5 mr square, which is equals to what is the answer? Everybody? 7 mr square by 5. That's all it is. Answer. Clear? Understand, Amma? Next. Again, one more thing. Disk. 2-dimensional. So let me make having a mass m and r radius r. So I'm taking a disk, all of you observe. Now this is the center of mass. So all of you observe, it is passing, axis of rotation is passing like this. Now can you tell me what is the axis of center of mass? Moment of inertia is the center of mass, not perpendicular z. It is what axis? Can you guess it? X-axis or y-axis or z-axis? It is y-axis. So that what will happen? mr square by 2 or mr square by 4 or disk, guys? mr
4
square by
mr
4. This. Okay. Now parallel, somewhere here axis of rotation is passing. So we want to find I. So having a distance of not r, it is actually r by 2. So that's all it is. So option A, mr square by 2. Option B, mr square by 4. Option C, 3 by 2 mr square. Option D, mr square. Anybody? Answer please. Yes. So I is equals to what is that? Moment of inertia through COM plus MA square. So here A become what? Everybody. A become R by 2. So which is equals to mr square by 4 plus m into R by 2 whole square. So if you solve it, how much it will come? Everybody? So mr square by 4, which will turns into mr square by 4, which is equals to 2 mr square by 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are. What is the answer, guys? Everybody? Yes? mr square by
2
mr square by 2. That is what you have to remember. Clear, everybody? Yes? Pradosh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anything doubt, you can ask me. Clear, Amma? Girls, boys, everybody? Understand? Sai Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Rishi? Pradosh?
Yes, sir.
Murali? That is. Now, this is what it is. I will give you one homework question. That question only I will teach you tomorrow. So let me take now. All of you observe. I will draw perfectly. Yeah. Okay. So this is what it is. So all of you observe. one axis of rotation is passing. This is what it is. So I am drawing cross. Cross means what? Into that or out of that? Cross. Into that or out of that? Yes, please. Into that. So this is
Into
so having a mass m and length L. So this is the first one dimensional. And here, of course, another axis is passing. So it has to be parallel. So be very careful. So we all know that if it is passes through the center of mass, we all know that ml square by what, everybody? Ml square by what? 12. Am I right or wrong? And if it the edges it will pass, just now we have studied ml square by what? Edges it will pass means ml square by what? 3. Understanding, Amma? So please remember, if it is a rod, if it is passing through the center of mass, ml square by 12, either this corner or this corner, what will happen? Ml square by 3, and this also ml square by 3. That is what it is. Now parallel it is passing. So parallel it is, so another it is passing through the COM. Let me take this is the CO, sorry. So let me take this is the COM and another axis, it must be parallel. So now find the moment of inertia. That is what it is. So another axis. Both are parallel to this and this. So now what is R between them? Anybody can tell how to find it? See, it is center of mass. Means this total length is L. So here it will become what, Rudreswa? L by 2. Correct? And this is what actually L. Then what is R distance? R distance means this is the R. So R not A. So find the A and you find the moment of inertia. I am giving the options. If you find it, you can. If not, tomorrow I will teach you. 5 by 3 ml square. You can use it find by Pythagoras theorem. 3 by 5 ml square. Option C. 2 by 5. Everybody must try. 2 by 5 ml square. Option D. 5 by 2 ml square. So solve it. And if you are not, I will teach you. So observe very carefully, which is passing through the COM, moment of inertia is ml square by 12, which is passing at the edges ml square by 3. So only target is find the A value, you can find it. A value, how we can find? This is L and this is L by 2. So you cannot find this up. Will you find it or not? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Easily find it. So please find it and make it. Okay. Clear, everybody? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that's all. So till here you finish it, then from here we will continue in the tomorrow's class. Everybody must solve and you have to try it. Mr. Narayan, understand Narayan? Mani and Samaya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please solve this question. Unless you solve, you cannot be. So you must solve and you have to, then only you can sleep it. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow's class. Finish it. We maximum will try to finish this chapter within 4 or 5 days.